which is right there.
She's at a shop,
Yeah.
but she's right here.
Today we have number 24, and I think it's some more rhinestones or pearls. I think it's rhinestones.
Let's have a look.
Or pearls. I actually think it's pearls.
Let's open it up and find out.
Okay.
We had silver rhinestones before, so what do you think it is?
Pearls.
Probably
Since
some
we've already
pearls.
had some rhinestones, we need some pearls. Yes,
And
indigo.
they are lavender pearls that go with our beautiful indigo collection. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are having a fabulous Christmas Eve, and we will be back tomorrow on Christmas Day to show you what beautiful thing we have on our very last day. See ya.
Bye.